What I want to attempt to do here is give a short lesson on economics. This is my antique hyper-tough 18-volt NiCad batteried drill that I've had probably 6 years. The original battery went haywire after about 3 years, and you couldn't buy one anymore. So I went down to Harbor Freight, bought a cheap 18-volt battery pack, rebuilt my own battery. Now it has gone haywire again. So I go to Harbor Freight. Nobody makes an 18-volt NiCad battery anymore. So I do some more research, and I find that this one fellow says you can buy this 20-volt hyper-tough charger and battery for $41 and convert it to where it will work on your 18-volt drill. But I don't know if you can see it very not, but there's a couple of little things sticking up on there that you have to cut off. And then the battery will fit on there. Presto, now you've got a 20-volt drill. But $41 seems a little bit much to spend on a $17.97 drill. A little more research. Why not just go to Walmart and buy a new one for $29.97, complete with a $41 charger and battery.